Hello, my name is Isabel, and we are going to talk you about one of the most used means of transportation in Mexico City. That's right, I am talking about the subway. The subway is a type of underground public transportation that had an underground train system located in Mexico City. Every day, about 4.6 million passengers travel on the Mexico City subway. It is easy to use. You only need to pay the fare to route a car that can be obtained at the vending machines outside the subway turnstiles. The fare of the subway have a fixed price of 5 pesos mexicanos. Within the subway, you travel on a train to the predestined place, and if you need to go to another subway line, you can easily transfer with the signs and posters on the walls that indicate the direction.
Hello, my name is Eduardo, and I am going to talk about what makes the subway of the Mexico City special. The subway of Mexico City is very special because it has an accessible rate for users. In addition to meeting quality expectations, accessibility, frequency, and clean lines, offering a transport system of good quality, achieving competitive levels worldwide. Mm. The history and subway of Mexico City. The first line of the subway was inaugurated on September 4, 1969, during the 6-year term of former President Gustavo Díaz Ordaz. The construction of the subway began from the year 1967, and the construction work lasted 2 years after the completion of the construction work was delivered and quality met, survived with several years of service life.
Hi, I am Valeria, and about of the development over time, the first stations were Chapultepec and Zaragoza. However, it was not the only time that an inauguration ceremony has been held. 6 stages of construction are calculated, in which the rest of the stations and lines, as we know them now, were inaugurated. Many groups of people were involved in the planning and construction. One of them is Bernardo Quintana, founder of the company ICA, who was the main precursor of the work. Some of the movies that the subway of Mexico City appeared are Lola de Maria Novaro in 1989, Un hilito de sangre in 1995, Los Beverly de Peralvillo in 1971, Conserje en Condominio in 1981, El Mil Usos in 1981, and others.
Hi, my name is Gael, and I'm going to say some interesting facts of the subway. In total, there are 195 stations that are distributed on the 12 lines in the network. The deepest line is the line 7, which is 40 meters below ground level. And the longest line is line 12, with 24.5 kilometers in length. Some things that make the software more accessible is that you can tour the entire city just by getting on the subway car. The icons of the subway station represent something from Mexican culture or some historical event that happened in Mexico. Each subway station has something that makes it unique. For example, the Polanco station has a piano-shaped staircase that produces sounds. At the La Rosa station, has a science tunnel. In the subway, there are a museum. It's at the Miscoa station on lines 7 and 12. It is a space dedicated to exhibitions. Those who pass through the metro facilities daily can enjoy and learn about historical material of the metro. Exhibitions are representative samples. The Mexico City subway is a transportation system used daily by thousands of people. Also very important for the city because it is very accessible and practical. It is a very easy way to get from one side of the city to another. Thanks for the attention.